Hey everybody, I'm back with another claw machine video because I just got the rabbit game joystick fixed, hopefully for the last time. This is actually a completely new joystick with the hardware underneath, and we are going to test it out now with the bears. So here we go. Seems to be working. It can move to the right now with no issues, front and back. So we'll try to grab another one. Nope. There we go. So no problems with it now. Hopefully for the last time. Completely new joystick. Now, what I didn't mention is this particular joystick is more like the one on the left for the gift store claw machine, because it can light up through this part and illuminate this. Unfortunately, I don't have the hardware required or the wires required to set that up, but maybe at a later date. For now, I'm just glad that it's working again with no problems moving to the right. I'm happy with it. So just a short little video to update you guys. More to come later. Thanks for watching. Bye.